The crow and the raven, masters of the sky. In the busy streets of Chennai, in the gargs dens of Delhi, and high above the silent peaks of the Himalayas, there is a bird watching us. Dressed in sleek black feathers, sharp-eyed, brilliant, mysterious. This is the story of two of the smartest birds on Earth, the crow and the raven. They may look alike, but they live very different lives. Let's discover the masters of the sky. The social genius, the crow, the world of crows. Crows belong to the genus Corvus. They live on almost every continent. India, the house crow. Scientific name, Corvus splendens. Common in cities like Chennai, Mumbai, and Delhi. Gray neck, slim body, loud, highly social, and lives in large groups. United States, the American crow. Scientific name, Corvus brachyrhynchos. Found across North America. All black, intelligent, excellent problem solver. Europe, the carrion crow. Scientific name, Corvus corone. Seen in the UK, Germany, and France. Often confused with ravens because of its size. Africa, the pied crow. Scientific name, Corvus albus. Black with a white chest patch, easily recognizable and bold. Japan, the jungle crow. Scientific name, Corvus macrorhynchos. Large, powerful beak. Common in Tokyo and urban areas. If you step onto your balcony in India, you will probably hear it first. That is the house crow. Small, sleek, quick. Crows are extremely social. They live in large groups called a murder. But don't let the name scare you. These birds are loyal, intelligent, and deeply connected to family. Scientists have discovered something amazing. A crow never forgets a face. If someone is kind to them, they remember. If someone is unkind, they remember that too. And they tell their friends. For years. In Indian homes, it is a tradition to offer the first bite of rice to a crow. Many believe they are messengers, a bridge between worlds. But beyond tradition, they are problem solvers, tool users, urban survivors. The crow is not just a neighbor. It is a genius in black feathers. The mountain king, the raven. The realm of ravens. Ravens are larger and more powerful members of the same family. India, the Himalayan raven. Found in the high Himalayas and Ladakh. Rare and majestic. North America, the common raven. Scientific name, Corvus corax. The largest perching bird in the world. Deep croaking voice, wedge-shaped tail. Europe, the common raven. Protected in parts of the UK, historically connected to kings and legends. Mexico, the Chihuahuan raven. Lives in desert regions, slimmer than the common raven. Now travel north, to the mighty Himalayas. There, soaring high above cliffs and valleys, lives the great raven. larger than a crow, stronger, more powerful, with a thick, curved beak and a deep, croaking call. Unlike the social crow, ravens are more private. They prefer pairs over crowds. They rule the open skies like silent kings. And here is something extraordinary. Ravens perform aerial acrobatics. They flip, they glide upside down, they roll in the air, sometimes just for fun. Scientists believe they play for pure joy. Yes, joy. Ravens are among the most intelligent birds in the world. They can plan ahead, solve complex puzzles, even understand cause and effect. They are not just birds. They are thinkers. Spot the difference. At first glance, they look like twins. But look closer. The crow, smaller, fan-shaped tail, high-pitched. The raven, larger, wedge-shaped tail, deep gronk sound. One lives in cities. One prefers mountains. One gathers in crowds. One rules in pairs. Different lifestyles, same brilliance. Children across the world are watching these black-feathered geniuses and discovering something beautiful. Intelligence does not always roar. Sometimes it caws. Next time you see a crow on your balcony or a shadow gliding across a mountain sky, pause. Look closer. You are not just looking at a bird. You are looking at one of nature's greatest minds. The crow, the raven, masters of the sky. Global connection. In Tamil, we say kaka. In Hindi, kowa. In Paris, corbeau. In Tokyo, karasu. Different languages. Same bird.